So currently it is the day before we are out in Miami. Once you guys see this video, you guys are gonna see we're already been at Miami, but this right now is the day before we go to Miami, and I had to go test out the bike and everything because I hit a bump and blew out my drain plug bolt. So I had to redo that, did the whole oil change, put everything back together, swap the coolant and everything, because that was what I was trying to do originally, but on the test drive I messed it up. So right now we're out here. I just hope you guys enjoy the video. Just stay tuned. I'm sure we got some good races in. Hopefully the weather is on our side. Right now it's not looking the best, but I'm praying we're good. So I guess we'll just see from there, and you guys stay tuned, grab your Takis, whatever, and enjoy. You no way, bro. What's up, YouTube? We're out. Got a couple guys out, girls out, everybody. We're gonna ride over to Miami, get some races in. We're gonna see how it is. I'm not gonna record much on the way there because it's just gonna be pretty much a straight road. But as soon as I get there, I'll cut the camera back on. Make sure y'all stay tuned because it's gonna be a great episode. Yes, sir! Oh, there they go, there they go. So this guy ran out of gas, so this is what we've resulted to, a little push. So he's got it on the bar. Is what we got to do to get him going, so we'll make it happen. It'll be alright. So we pulled up to the first spot, waiting on some people. There goes the M1K. We got Wolf's bike and pulling up right over there. I don't know if you can see it. Got the Gsxr. Got a couple other bikes. Got this stretch Gsxr over here with the carbon wheels and everything. Stupid clean. So maybe this thing, very, very clean. Look, I don't know if you guys can see it. Carbon on the blue. Our YouTube, so we got a couple of bikes going out. I don't know who I'm running, but we're gonna figure it out. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but that whole strip right here, like in the middle, is freaking wet. That whole strip right here is all wet. Oh, there he goes wheeling.
got a RSV4 factory, the 1100, completely stock from what I know. I think it's completely stock. It just has a slip-on, if I'm not mistaken. That's all it is. But we're gonna do a quick little 50 roll. What's up, YouTube? So this is actually the end of the video here today. We're on our way back from our Miami trip. Stopped at Cycle Gear, got these brand new gloves. These are sick, so we're gonna be rocking these. Love these, man. They were pretty affordable too. It was like 90 bucks, so it's not bad. So but hope you guys enjoyed this episode of the Miami races. So it was pretty eventful. So I mean, make sure you guys subscribe, like, hit that share button, comment, interact in some way, shape, or form. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.